Okay, hey guys, Ranger Airsoft here, and today I have a Airsoft mystery box unboxing from Airsoft GI, and this is the Black Friday mystery box, and I can tell you right now, there's nothing special in here. The top, there was, I think about 6 guns. There was the Scorpion, then there was like 3 metal guns. I don't remember their names because Airsoft GI took it off their website, and then there was a gas pistol and a CO2 pistol. So there's 5 of each of those, and I can tell you right now there ain't no pistol in here. And I ordered 2 of these, so I don't know if this is both of them in here. But yeah, and the top prize is a $1,000 gift card. So yeah, so here we go. Let's open it. Actually, let me go get a knife. Okay. Got my knife. And I don't think this is gonna... Okay, maybe we can actually just peel it open, so... Okay, so we got... Oh, so I guess there's 2 in here. And I'm guessing this is just the receipt. Yeah, that's just the receipt. And there's just bubble wrap in there. Okay, so there's 2. Here's the 2, I guess. So, I heard these were supposed to come with dead rags, but I guess not. So, I got these are in 2 different colors. I don't know if you can see that, black. The numbers are red. I don't know if that means anything, but let's open this first one. And inside we have Airsoft GI's holiday savings, you know, just some coupon. And okay, we have this red monkey skull Velcro patch. And there was a lot of patches in here. And yeah, so nice little red Velcro patch. I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope. So now let's go to the last one. Now I've heard things about people said they took the guns away, but I don't think that's true. So let's just go to our second unboxing, our second box for this unboxing. And it looks to be there's another receipt. It's another patch. And it is the, okay, Surprise VOV Speed. Nice little Velcro patch. Tan. And that is it. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.